Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous sessions, we successfully designed the watchlist UI and built the backend logic to display saved skills. Today we are going to complete the user experience by building the remove from watchlist functionality using Ajax and PHP. The professional marketplace needs to be interactive. When a user clicks that heart icon to remove a skill, it should happen instantly without the page reloading. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to handle this behind the scenes using asynchronous request. Now let's go to our website. You can see my watchlist page. Some products are in my watchlist. I can remove the product from the watchlist page by clicking this heart icon. Now you can see the product was removed. And also I can go to a product single view page and you can see the in watch list. When I click this in watch list button, the product was removed from the watch list. So this is the process of product removing from watch list page part. Now let's dive into our PHP code. Instead of adding an event listener to every single button, we use event delegation. We add one listener to entire watchlist grid. When you click anything inside, we use a e.target.closed WL heart to check if a heart button was clicked. This makes the code file use less memory, specifically if the user has many saved skills. We use the modern fetch API to talk to our backend strip secretly. We create a new form data object and append the product ID. This is exactly how the PHP strip accepts to receive the ID. Because we use await fetch, the rest of the website stays active while the server processes the removal. To make Skillshop feel premium, we don't just delete the item, we animate it. As soon as the user clicks, we set btn.style.opacity equal to 0.5 to show the action is in progress. If the server returns success, we find the specific article card using the data and set its opacity to 0. We use set timeout 300 milliseconds to wait for the fade animation to finish before calling card.remove function. This prevents the card from snapping out of existence. Real-time counter and state management. This is a vital detail for a professional UX. After removing the card, we decrease the current count variable and update the items count text. If the current count hits 0, we use location.reload or dynamically inject HTML to show the your watchlist is empty message with the broken heart icon. This ensures the user is not left starting at a blank white string. We don't attach a listener to every single heart button. Instead, we add one listener to the entire watchlist grid. And we extract the unique product ID from the button's dataset using await fetch. We send the ID to our PHP backend secretly in the background. This means a page refresh, making Skillshop feel incredibly fast. We decrease the current count variable and update the text in the header instantly. We even handle the grammar so it correctly says 1 skills or 0 skills. If the last item is removed, we either reload the page or use in. This is our watchlist process.php file. Before we do anything, we ask the database question. Does this user already have this product in their watchlist? Select ID from watchlist where user ID, product ID. By checking the number of rows, we determine the user's intent. If the record the user wants to remove it. If it doesn't, they want to add it. And the removal process. This is the specific part that handles the removal. Delete from watchlist via user ID and product ID. We use both the user ID and product ID to ensure we delete record without affecting anyone else's watchlist. After the deletion, we send back action removed. This is the signal our JavaScript used to trigger that cool fade out animation on the front end. If the item was not there, we perform the opposite action. We use insert into watchlist to save the link between the user and the product. The script sends back action add, which you can use to change the heart icon color to red instantly. Notice the database IOD, insert, update and delete method. We use placeholders and type definitions to make the removal process completely immune to SQL injection. By using JSON encode, we ensure our backend speaks a universal language that our Ajax frontend can understand perfectly. This toggle pattern is a professional way to build the interactive features. Instead of having two separate filters for adding and removing, we use one smart strip that describes the action based on the current database state. So this is the end. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I'll see you again with another video. So goodbye everyone and have a nice day all.